Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Elsa. So this is the circuit for activity 1. Diode is 1N119 IC. So I will run it first. Yep. For this multimeter, it show the VAC for resource. SMM1 multimeter 1 V out but in RMS. And multimeter 3 is the I out. So 3 and the oscilloscope shows the waveform for V out and also the I out input. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will talk to you or explain to you the simulation of this circuit for activity 2. We have to change the variable of the we have to put the L2 and then we have to put the DFR. We have to do 3 times simulation for this circuit. Okay, now I will show you the first circuit that we have to measure the VSC of the source, the out and output current I out using multimeter and record the data in table 1.2. This is the table. Okay, now we'll try to run it using the multimeter. Okay, this is the circuit and now we see the result. Okay. And then now we can see for this first multimeter it show the VSC and this is show the I out and it show the V out, and the last one is the waveform of the oscilloscope from the oscilloscope for V out and I out. I show you for the second step that we have to put another inductor in the circuit. Okay, the result will have a change because we put another inductor in the circuit and now we run it. Now we see there's a little different of value for the VSC, I out, V out, and the waveform. For the first is this for VSC, this for I out. This multimeter is show the result of V out, and this is the waveform of V out, and the below is for I out. Okay, then we go to the diode. Choose this diode and put it here. Okay, contact that first. Okay, and then okay, let's see the result. Simulate it for this before circuit. This for VSC, this for I out, this for V out, and this is the waveform for V out, and the below is for I out. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next for the activity bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier, we're gonna design in this figure in the mechanism. So let's do the mechanism. So we're gonna use the 100 volt for VSC, 50 Hz, and we're gonna use the 4 diode in this connection. So for the resistor, we're gonna use 100 ohm, and for the resistance, we use the 10 ohms in 10%. So we're gonna use 1 ohms only. So the multimeter have the 3 in, so have the 2 voltmeter for the VSC and for the V out, and 1 ammeter for the current out, and the oscilloscope for find the waveform for the V out and the current out. So let's run it. So we run. So this for the voltage AC, and this value for the current out, and this value for the V out, and for the find the P maximum we see from the oscilloscope. So we found out we use the 100 volt. So that's all for the simulation.